How to change two-step verification pin on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change two-step verification pin on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and now click these 3 points and stop, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click account, and here you will find two-step verification. Click on it and click change pin. Now just type your first pin here, and not your first pin, type any pin you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.